play buttons!
Oh my gosh, okay, I think Ian might have your play buttons. Ian, come back. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we are still up in Idaho. Ian's tracker has not beeped lately.
I took it off.
You took it off?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So, but we heard reports that he was over in this area. So we're gonna go wander around. But it's been quite the night. We had to sleep in our car again last night. Aubree just threw her phone at me, and Aubree wants to go look for Ian. Logan, do you want to go find Ian?
Yes.
You do? Yeah, Uncle Lee.
Best brother.
Uncle Lee is getting really mad because we still do not have his play buttons. So let's go take a look and see if we can find him. It is so cold, guys. I do not have real shoes on. Let me show you. See, like I'm ready for Hawaii still. We were not prepared. It's cold and rainy. Let's see, where are we? We are at, I don't know. Lots of rain. Can I go see what this is over here? Let's go look. Oh, are you cold? Yeah. Okay. All right, look what we found, you guys. We found like this mammoth. And wait, is that Ian? Are you kidding me? Ian! Did you just see him? Where'd he go? Ian! What on earth? Are you kidding me? What that is? Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me?
Wait, is that Ian? Are you kidding me?
Okay, he's gone again, but he was here. Did you guys see him? Oh my gosh. Yeah, Aaron's on the phone with the police again, so hopefully we can get him. I guess we gotta get back in the car, guys. Look, there's deer. Aww.
Bambi.
Look, there's Bambi. Found a squirrel clinging for dear life right there.
Look at me all the way down the driveway. There's a squirrel.
He's hanging out.
You see it?
I see it.
You see a squirrel?
Squirrel.
So cute.
I see it.
Aaron was talking to his grandpa, and we heard Ian might be over here. We walked up the hill from the house, and he said that he saw him run up to the water tank when we pulled in. So this is where we're at. Let me show you guys. So the house is down there. Okay, there's the house. We walked up here. This is an old water tank. Aaron's walking around with Aubree. But we're in a town called Kuski, Idaho. So if you know it, that's where Aaron's grandpa lives. It's a nice little town. Very small and very pretty. So Aaron was saying that this water tower used to be for the whole town of Kuski. However, it no longer has water in it, and they use a different one. So, fun fact. Any sign of Ian? Nope. No? Okay. Aaron said he even looked on the roof. So I don't know where he went. It's so frustrating. What do you want to do? What is it? What does the sheep say? Meh. Oh, it's itching its ear. What do we find, Aubree? What are those? Oh, yes, look at those.
This one come near. This one chicken climb up.
You want chicken nuggets?
No.
Okay, you guys, so we spent the day with Aaron's family up in Idaho, and we are on the verge of finding Ian. He actually broke down at this place called Whitebird. Is that what it's called? Yeah. We just got an update.
And there's actually really cool. There's a battle over here with the Nez Perce Indians with some soldiers.
Yeah.
We're gonna go over there and take a look.
Yeah. So we heard Ian is over there, but but so we have to be quick to go get him. And as soon as we get him, we're gonna drag him to the airport and we're gonna get him on a plane back to Hawaii. Oh wait, shoot. We need to get the play buttons. We need to go get the play buttons. Maybe we can just mail them off because I need to get that kid to Hawaii. So Lee has been calling our phones nonstop and we're just ignoring him right now because yes, we're trying to still get those play buttons. This is Whitebird. We'll go get a better view. Ian should be, oh, I think I see cars down there. I think Ian should be down there somewhere. Okay, I don't see him. Let's get out and look at, see if we can find Ian. All right, so let's go over here. Come on, you guys, let's go see find Ian. Let's see, do you guys see Ian? Oh my gosh, there's Ian. Ian, get him. Oh my gosh, get him in the car. Get him in the car. Ian, you're in so much trouble. Get in. Get in. Okay, stay in there.
Let go.
We got him. We got Ian. Yeah, Ian's shoe. Okay. Now. Oh my gosh. He went out. He went out the other door. Get back in there. Okay. Do you have the play buttons, Ian? Okay, there's his backpack. Okay. Oh my gosh, we got Ian. He's child locked in the car now. Aubree, stop. Okay, don't go off the cliff. We don't want to lose everybody. Okay.
Okay, he's in there, tied down.
Oh my gosh. So he's tied down. So we're gonna go drag him to Boise. Get on the airplane. Either, I don't know. We'll make a plan on the drive. I can't believe we finally got him. Well, this is a pretty cool view. What do you guys think of this? It's called Whitebird Battlefield. So there's an epic battle that happened down here.
Yeah.
If you guys want to read it, pause it. Okay, so we have Ian in the car. Yeah, internet's not working for Aubree. We got Ian, Logan. Still trying to figure out what we should do with the play buttons, if we should mail it off or drop it off. I think we'll just mail it off. We'll try to see if we can get to a post office in a second and go back to Hawaii. Road trip over, Ian. Look, Daddy's beard has grown out in the last few days. Chasing you around, he hasn't had time to shave.
I guess I have to shave, man.
It's like 2, 3 a.m. You need to make sure we get to the airport, Ian.
Yeah.
Got the play buttons in the backpack. For some reason, we wound up in a really tiny hotel room, but we all managed to fit and sleep. Okay, so you guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Urban hike.
Yeah, we're
That's
gonna.
it. Urban hiking.
Yeah, no one's awake to take us to the airport, so we gotta walk to the airport.
They're magically booked at 3 o'clock in the morning.
I know, and no one's working at 3 a.m. and our flight's at 5. So open the door. Let's go. What do you think of this adventure, Aubree?
I have nothing in my mouth.
Yeah, you got some hair in your mouth. Yeah, so there's the airport. Well, let's go get Daddy.
It's running away.
Ah, he's running away.
Yeah.
Oh, we made it to the airport.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys did it. Good job, Logan. You look tired.
I was really cold out there. I was really cold outside.
Yeah,
I just made my bed.
you did. You did. Let's go.
We did it. We survived our urban hike.
Now we just need to get on our flight to Hawaii and we'll mail the play buttons when we get there. So we almost didn't make it through security. Ian, hey. Yeah, they selected Ian to do an extra search on. I don't think that was random.
I think I've never seen Ian so scared in his life. They were gonna take his iPad away.
Yeah, they took his iPad and they searched it. Tried to take the play buttons, but we made sure to keep those. So. Hey Ian, were you scared when they picked you to get checked?
Yes, I thought I was gonna get in trouble. It's just my necklace.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he kept being like, I have a necklace on. It's just a necklace. I don't think I've ever seen an arcade at an airport. Did you? We already went to an arcade the other day. I think we're okay. All right, we're getting ready to go.
Yeah.
Yeah. You excited?
Aubree does not like taking off.
Yeah, Aubree gets a little scared taking off.
Yeah, and Lynn. I don't want it.
I know. It's okay.
Well, it's okay.
If we just watch our Coco Bellin.
Can I like that?
Won't even notice.
Mama, we need a blanket.
You need your blanket?
Yeah.
So somehow we ended up in Iowa. I don't know how that happened. Ian is over there.
It's too cool for him.
I know, no hands for Ian. Too cool for it. As you can see, Ian is thrilled. So I guess we're in Iowa for a few days. But then we'll return the play buttons. Oh yeah, there's a spinning ride. Cool. Yeah, let's see if you're tall enough. There's Aaron. Whee. By Ian, or there's Logie and Ian.
Here,
So what did you find? Let me see.
I found a frog here.
Let me see.
I
wanna see it.
Here, Mom. Okay.
Okay, put it down.
3, 2, 1, see?
Oh, it's little. That's so cute. You let him out. You milk the cow.
Oh, look, someone cut these off. Someone cut these things off.
Cut him off. Oh, what's Aubree picking out? Wow. Don't let me down. I've heard you're the bubble pro. Wow. Go on, where? Okay.
It was a slimy? No. What they were slimy. Here is not faster. Yeah. Yeah.
Snake feels so nice.
Does it feel nice? Do you want to pet one?
Yes, I do.
Oh, we're not getting one.
That was my first time petting a snake.
Look, Aubree's petting one right
That was
now.
my first time petting a snake.
I know, that's cool.
It's my first time.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh man. 4, 3, 2, 1. And oh no! Oh man. Oh Logan. Aaron. Aubree, come here. Give you Bumblebee. Ah!
And I have no head. And I'm
Floating head.
Raccoon got Starbucks.
Yeah, look at this happy raccoon we found. We got him a Starbucks cup.
Raccoon got Starbucks.
He's very, very happy.
Raccoon got Starbucks. Is that a real?
Wow, Aubree, good job. Logan's. Ooh. See if Dad's good at securing
I
things,
need to wait.
packing things after all our moves.
Oh, seriously.
I know. Very specific. Let's see. It's going up, up, up. Up. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Perfect. Wow.
Man, these kids' science stuff don't have nothing on me.
Yeah.
I'm the master of kids stuff.
Yeah. Let's get it more. Drop it in. Brings it down. Somebody put it in. Oh, we got it. Good job, Turtle. Good job, Turtle. We want more.
You never want to throw baby.
It's just gonna fall already. Yeah. They've been in.
You got the pedal, man. Got it.
See who's talking.
We found Aubree's car seat.
My car seat. That's my car seat.
So for some reason we're back in Utah. Returning things.
For some reason I do not know that this is definitely not from my suitcase. The zipper thing's gone. My suitcase.
Oh, it got broken. So the important thing is, do you have those play buttons in your backpack?
No.
You better. We're returning them.
I don't have them anymore.
Where are they?
Okay. Oh look, you guys.
Okay.
I ran them over.
Walking through the airport. That's what I worked out today. Good job.
I ran them over with the car.
No, you didn't.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
well,
did.
we are here to return them, okay?
I ran them over.
Fun is over.
How about you do?
Okay, you guys. So, man, that was crazy. Somehow we ended up in Iowa. Ian changed our flights, went to Iowa. He wanted to see his other family there, so we did a few things there. Rebooked our tickets back in Utah because we figured at this point it was just best to take the play buttons to the Oshitaki mushrooms. But we're getting Zupas, getting some sandwiches as an apology. I don't know, sandwiches fix everything, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Soups, no pasta dough. Everyone loves sandwiches.
Everyone loves sandwiches, so
loves pasta.
we're using this as a we are sorry. We've had your play buttons for the last few days. But after we drop them off, we're going home and we're going to stay in Hawaii for a while.
Ian, you get those play buttons?
Those play
What?
buttons,
Wait, what do you mean no?
I saw them earlier.
Mm.
If they wind up in the out the window, I'm going to be mad. So,
You really, for your own sake, you better make sure they're in your...
Out the window.
I hope not.
Yeah, I
dude,
did.
we are bringing play buttons and sandwiches.
No, play buttons.
I'm so
went out
tired.
the window.
I'm so tired. You guys are going to summer camp when we get home.
No.
Okay, so we're leaving Zupas, and I got so much food
I didn't
on my lap.
sandwich.
Please.
Orgy sandwich.
I know you want your grilled cheese sandwich. Hold on, gotta wait. Shocking. So we're on the way to Oshitaki mushrooms. Weather's kind of yuck, windy. In the flight when we were landing, it was so shaky, and there was like a big drop at one point where everybody like screamed. So it's windy down here too, but it's fine. It's high wind advisories. We're driving along. It'll be okay.
Burning over here.
Oh yeah, there was a fire. They sent me a picture of like a fire.
There's a little bit of a fire back.
Okay, so we're pulling up to the Oshitaki Mushrooms house. This is kind of embarrassing, honestly. Let's see, where is their house? Oh, by Sealy. Oh gosh, I was just hoping we could drop it off and... Oh, crap, he's outside.
He looks pissed.
Oh, I just wanted to drop it off and run. Oh look, they got an Amazon package. I wonder what they ordered.
The destination is on your left.
Jeez, what did they order? Okay guys, let's go. Okay, Ian.
Whoa, what the heck?
We have your play buttons. We're so sorry. Hey, wait, Ian, be kind.
Those the play buttons?
Yeah, they're in there. We're so sorry. We brought you guys food too.
You just threw it.
There's food. We're sorry.
Why did you take our play buttons?
We brought you food. We're sorry. But can we stay here tonight?
No!
Go away!
Please.
We're tired. We need somewhere to stay. We brought you sandwiches.
Fine,
Sandwiches fix
family.
things, right?
Yay!
Ian, we can stay here. They said we can stay.
Ian's right away.
Hopefully Ian didn't break those.
Ian's right away.
Yeah, so there's the play button. Oh my gosh, I can't believe Ian just threw those in the house. Gosh. Are they okay? Are the play buttons okay?
I don't know. We gotta see.
I gotta take a look.
I really hope you didn't break those.
Yeah.
Gosh, are they okay?
I got all 3 of them back.
Finally got him back. Thanks for stealing.
It wasn't
Talking about
Ian.
some gaming.
I didn't steal them. It was Ian. And we chased him up through Idaho, up through Iowa. We were all over the place.
Why is your kid so crazy?
This one
Well-
has like scratches on it.
Oh.
And there's a scratch on it.
Oh gosh.
Oh.
Ian, you're grounded. Well, after all that, I'm glad we finally made it back to their house.
My soup is cold.
Whatever. Whatever. His play buttons are not broken even after being thrown. So we're just gonna have to keep a big eye on Ian, make sure he leaves them here when we leave. Hopefully tomorrow. What a trip. Ian, never do this again.
I'll do it again. No.
Oops.
You gotta pick up your feet.
Yeah, pick up those feet. Nope. Okay, so for everyone who saw the last video when I was asking what is in these top cupboards, some of you were correct.
This one has more.
Leland's Happy Meal,
Happy Meal
collection.
We
So-
still have them. After all
So they're
these
still
years,
stored in there.
We still have all
So I know a few people commented with that, so they were correct. Good job. All right, so we are back at the Oshitaki Mushrooms house.
Yeah!
We slept at their house last night, brought them food, asked them to forgive us for stealing their play buttons. It was Ian who stole the play buttons, by the way. So we're stuck hanging out with them for the day. It's Father's Day. So
My day.
his day, Aaron's day.
Everybody be nice to me.
So guess we're stuck with them for the day since our flight doesn't leave until tomorrow.
What? No, I thought it was today.
Can you go really fast?
No. Well, we're gonna try to stay with my parents tonight though, because I don't think we can do another night with them. So,
Yeah.
but tomorrow had better be the actual flight, Ian. You need to get on this flight.
No.
It has been a long few days. So I guess Leland's joining in. London.
Oh no! I have to pick you up on the next one.
She's gonna be mad. Yeah, I do. Okay, I'll take my shoes off. Gosh, their kids are such bad influences. Look at that, you guys. Don't copy them ever.
Okay, stop complaining.
Why do you want to play a different game? Because you're losing?
Stop complaining.
Here, do a temper tantrum.
Yeah.
Be cousin temper tantrum.
Yeah, cousin temper tantrum.
No.
Oh, you're doing football again.
Stop.
For some reason, Logan is a poop.
Hey, don't do that.
Why are you a poop?
He's like a poopsie oopsie.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Logan. Logan, are you on that? I will sacrifice myself. Come and get it.
Wow, that was brave.
I'm standing up, guys.
Don't follow me. Don't follow me.
Oh,
There went Leland.
Don't follow me. Don't follow you.
guys, I'm back. I found a secret door.
Where?
All right, so we are leaving the shiitake mushrooms. The shiitake mushrooms house. We did not take the play buttons this time. We made sure they were on the wall.
Burn piece.
A burn piece? What do you mean?
Shiitake.
Of what? Oh, of Fritos. Okay. It's like of the play button. So, shiitake. This is Father's Day. I guess we're not in Hawaii for Father's Day. There's no fishing trip for Aaron, I guess. Sorry, Aaron.
Oh.
We're gonna go surprise my dad, say hi, go to a family party since we usually don't do those, but we've done two of them from Ian's little endeavor. So, and then say our last for real goodbyes and then go back to Hawaii. So,
And back to work.
well, Aaron has to go back to work. So, did you guys have the best time? I hope so. Yeah, they were both really sad to leave. They said Leland's house is the best. So they had a lot of fun there. Look, there's no mountains. They're hidden. It's so yuck outside. Hi. What are you doing?
I'm talking to Aaron.
Oh, well, happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
What are you up to? Oh, okay. It just had a black screen and oh, what? Weird. Yeah. So.
Surprise.
This is really goodbye. You embarrass Aaron. Yeah, you guys need to watch shiitake mushrooms. See what happened because I did not film any of it.
Good
It was
riddance.
very disturbing. So.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Alright, so we are heading back from Heather's and we can see the mountains now. Isn't that crazy?
I want to go up a mountain.
You wanna go up the mountain? We're gonna go to Nan and Grandpa's and really get ready to go home this time.
Last flight.
Last flight for a long time, hopefully. I'm kind of tired. It's been fun, a little unexpected, but it's been nice seeing people, so yeah, I'm just ready to go home and see our house and see our dog again. Roxy's probably sad. So actually she's probably being really spoiled right now. So yeah,
Walks every day.
back to the grind. Work.
Like my iPad.
It's fine.
My iPad's more.
There goes Aubree's car seat. There it goes. All gone. Okay, let's go now.